Come on, baby. Ooh, ah! Come on, baby. I know it's a way to get back up there, ain't it? Ooh, he wiggled it. Ooh. Oh, he ain't touched it yet. Boy, he doing good. Ah, he touched it. Dang.
Don't take a reverse here.
Okay, here go one of them. Progress, y'all. Man, my button seems like it's stuck. Okay, here we come, y'all. Been a hard part. Come on, but well, he made it up. Yeah. Uh-oh. Ooh. Ooh, cut that wheel. Ah, he did it. Okay. Okay, what is it? Coming through another checkpoint. Come on with it. Oh yeah, he doing good, y'all. Oh, whoa, where he going? Where he going? Oh, okay. I forgot he can go anywhere he wants. Oh, he just can't reverse. Oh, he trying to avoid a reverse point. That's smart. Ah, yeah, that was nice. Okay. Ah, right at the end, man. Ah.
Yeah. I mean, I'm willing to try it anyway. You know, that's one thing that I felt blessed. Well,
dang, that was messed up. Twisted Soul, you seen that, man? He was doing good. What's your name, mister?
James.
James, where you from?
Bossier, Louisiana.
Bossier, Louisiana. You doing pretty good, man. You got some. Well, how many points he get?
One.
One? Okay. Okay. Let me see where Gavin at.
Yeah.
It's my turn. Is it my turn?
If you want,
yeah. He said I get to get a car. What a car you could let me drive, man. I'm ready.
You can drive.
Where it's at? Where this one right here? They said it needed some more horsepower, man. How you doing, man? How you turn them on? Here, Gavin, you gonna hold it? I want to do that hard course everybody else did.
Now the reverse is going to be very twitchy on this. You drove RC cars before, right?
Yeah.
All right.
What up, chat? We about to see Lookout drive this.
Just push it. The reverse is
okay.
You just barely move it.
I got you.
To get it to go a little bit smooth.
Which way you be going?
So this right here, look, this button right here that says back.
Yeah.
Are y'all enjoying the stream?
Okay.
I know we're all having a good time out here.
Turn. You can lock it. Turn.
Okay, come on, let's go over here. We're gonna start course one, man.
I'm glad y'all are enjoying it, chat. We're about to see how good Lookout is with the RC car. His first course. What do you think he's gonna score? You think he's gonna finish, chat?
I need to make sure I get over this first. God.
They're touchy, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, you went right up it.
And he had all that issue with that. Yeah, that part there hard.
Oh, you got that gate.
Oh man. Golly, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. That one gate kinda hard. Ooh, that mother hard. Alright, that's right. Well, I ain't gonna get no points.
Chat saying no full pass.
Hell yeah. Come on, baby. Go ahead. Golly, man. Hold on, man. I'm finna get me a full pass then. Let me put the gate back. I just needed a redo. Hold on, y'all.
Come on, you got it.
Golly.
It looked easier, didn't it?
Yeah. Being hit. Why I can't get past gate one? Golly, boy, this hard. Nah, I think they scooted out on the rocks, man. That's what I messed up. Hold on. That's what I would have did. They ain't put no rocks right there, man. I can't get up. God.
And the first time you squared up to it, you climbed it and then hit the gate.
Man, I gotta hit this bird. Boy, this thing. Man, there's something with this car, man. I'm blind. It's a tune.
It's the tune. You got that whiskey throttle, man.
Man, I just want to go up the thing one time, start making a couple turns. Man, I can't even get a turn. Come on, baby. Get up there. Golly. That's why they were going so slow, probably. I think his battery low. That's what it is. Look. Ain't it low?
Oh yeah, yeah. Now it's low. Let's go get a replacement.
Yeah, I need a new car. Yeah, man, that's what it was, man. I knew it was something. I done found it.
He's a Wait, look out.
Oh, he up here.
He didn't even get up the first rock, chat.
Yeah, man.
What do you got to say about that, chat?
Battery day.
Huh?
I'm talking to chat.
Gotcha. There's